If you're in Paris, if you're in London, if you're in New York, bounce, bounce. If you're in Beijing, if you're in LA, if you're in Ghana, bounce, bounce.
Hello everyone, welcome back to PlayPacket. Today I'll show you 15 free food recipes for new Toca players. You can keep watching if you're an oldie as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time!